fatal cancer that results from ingesting asbestos fibers. Although it, from Ted B. Leone and Associates. Mesothelioma lawyer. Texas mesothelioma attorneys. Mesothelioma is a fatal cancer that results from ingesting asbestos fibers. Although it is often thought of as an occupational disease, anyone exposed to asbestos can develop mesothelioma. It is especially common among people who worked in the construction trades, military veterans, oil refineries and chemical plant workers, among others. Additionally, manufacturers in various industries used asbestos in their products because of its heat resistance, strength and insulating properties. It can be found almost anywhere. There may arise a need to consult with a mesothelioma lawyer. Mesothelioma: what is it and what compensation is available? Mesothelioma: why choose a Texas attorney? Diagnosed with mesothelioma. Doctors diagnose around 2,000 men and women with mesothelioma each year, according to the Centers for Disease Control, CDC. In almost every case, the exposure to asbestos-containing products occurred at least 25 years before the diagnosis of the disease, as mesothelioma is a slow-developing cancer. This slow development made it easier for manufacturers of asbestos-containing products to claim that it was not toxic, even though they knew it was carcinogenic since the 1930s and harmful to the lungs even before. Compensation is available for victims of this illness, as well as for family members of individuals who died due to asbestos exposure. There are many ways to obtain the compensation you deserve. To learn more, call the law firm of Ted B. Leone and Associates at 800-TED-LEONE. We are Texas trial attorneys who represent mesothelioma victims throughout the state. Legal options in mesothelioma claims. At your initial consultation, we will discuss legal options for obtaining compensation. These usually include some combination of the following: filing a lawsuit, which could result in a settlement or trial. Filing a claim against the organization where you were exposed to asbestos. Filing a claim with the Asbestos Trust Fund. Filing a claim for compensation from the Veterans Administration. The strategy depends on the circumstances of your exposure and the way the illness has affected you and your family. Having advice and counsel from one of our knowledgeable mesothelioma attorneys is critical to obtaining maximum compensation. It costs you nothing to talk with us, and you only pay attorney's fees if we obtain compensation for you. Texas trial lawyers for Texas meso victims. Our Dallas, Texas law firm is fortunate to have experienced attorneys